Welcome to the detailed masterclass on one of the most asked questions by the solo creators. Can I really run a YouTube channel all by myself? And the short answer is yes, 100%. I have been doing it and many others have too. But let me tell you the truth. It's not just about hitting record, uploading and hoping it works. There is a method behind every successful solo creator, and in this video I will walk you through that exact method, from coming up with ideas, scripting, recording, editing, publishing and even growing your channel step by step. If you're a beginner or someone who is already started but isn't seeing results, this masterclass will make things 10x clearer. Let's dive in. Let's start with the foundation. Running a YouTube channel as one person required two things. Number one, a creator mindset, and number two, a planner's mindset. When you are solo, you are the idea person, the presenter, the editor, the uploader, and sometimes even the SEO strategist. So it's very easy to feel overwhelmed. The biggest mistake people make, they start making random videos without any clear plan. No content buckets, no target audience, and no consistency. Here is what you need to do instead. Step 1. Define your niche clearly. Are you helping people learn editing, reviewing tech gadgets, teaching something, or just entertaining? When you define your niche clearly, idea generation becomes easier. For example, if your channel is about mobile tech, your ideas should revolve around phone reviews, camera comparisons, hidden features, etc. Step 2. Create a content bank. I maintain a simple Notion page or even Google Sheet with 30 to 40 raw ideas at any point. Anytime I see a trend, comment or problem, I drop it in this idea bank. This reduces what should I post next stress and helps you be more consistent. Now let's talk about the scripting. Most new creators skip this thinking they will save time, but here is the truth. Not having a script costs you more time during recording and editing. I used to record without a script earlier and I ended up doing 3 to 4 takes, forgetting points and then fixing everything in editing. It was exhausting. Now I do differently. I write a simple conversational script, not robotic, not formal, just how I speak normally. Here is how I break it down. First 10 seconds is the hook. This is where you catch the viewer's attention. For example, this is how a hook looks like. Ever wondered how creators manage entire YouTube channels alone? Today I'll show you exactly how I do it, start to finish. Look how good it is. So there are n number of hooks you can create for any topic. It depends on your time matching skills, whether you want 10 seconds, 15 seconds or 20 seconds. The best thing is make it under 30 seconds. Next thing, intro and value preview. Let them know what they will gain if they stick till the end. Viewers are more likely to watch the full video when you give them clarity. This is the video best example for it. In the starting of the video, I told about this video clearly like a piece of cake. Next is main content. This is where you need to break into chapters. I usually group everything under 4 to 5 parts and speak to one topic at a time. Especially in my mobile reviews, I use this a lot. Even for this video also, you can see the timestamps for clarity. And finally, the conclusion or call to actions. You can ask to subscribe or like in a subtle way. I'll give one example as well. For this, the example looks like this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click that like button and also subscribe for more updates from this channel. Look how easy it is. People take a lot of time to create these type of tiny things. This script helps me stay on track, saving me editing time and keeps the video focused. I write this in Notion or Docs and sometimes just use bullet points if I am doing casual talking head. Recording is where most beginners get stuck. You might think you need a DSLR, 2 microphones, studio lights, blah 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 blah. Let me break that myth. Your smartphone is more than enough to shoot great videos. Nowadays, smartphones are coming with very good specifications. The key is not gear, it's clarity plus setup. Here is what I use as a solo creator in the past. I use a smartphone with a tripod, a lavalier mic or a budget USB mic, natural light near a window or ring light. A clean, distraction-free background, even a curtain, also works here. But before recording, I keep the script open on my laptop or phone, but not reading word by word if in case it is like on-go video. I take some breaks, and if I make any mistakes, I just clap and repeat that line. That clap helps me find the cut easily while editing. Pro tip: batch shoot. If you have scripted 2 to 3 videos, record them all on the same day. Same lighting, same setup, same energy. It saves a lot of time. Trust me, this works beautiful for most of the creators. Here is the real time saver: editing efficiency. Editing can easily take 6 to 7 hours per video if you don't have a workflow. Here is what I have learned over a time. Step 1: rough cut. First, go through the entire footage and remove all the mistakes, pauses, or repeated lines. Don't add any music or text, just clean the video. Step 2: add B-rolls or screenshots. When you're talking about something visual like a YouTube setting, phone feature, or graph, show it instead of just saying it. Use screen recordings, stock footage, or your own clips. Step 3: text and transitions. This is also very important, but don't overdo it. Use the text only when it adds clarity. Too many effects distracts the viewer from the content, so be careful with this step. Next step is music and audio mix. Use copyright-free music from the YouTube library or sites like Epidemic. Keep background music low. Your vocals should always be clear. That means whatever you are talking, if you take this video as an example, my voice is clearly audible for you apart from the background music. This is the thing you need to maintain. I added all the resources links in the description box. You can check that anytime after watching this video. Step 5: exporting settings. 1080p is perfect. Use H.264 format. Export and preview once before uploading. I use Premiere Pro on my system, but even mobile editors like VN or CapCut Mobile are amazing if you are starting out. That's what. Don't think like you need heavy setup, heavy video editing softwares. Just focus on the content and the lighting and the environment. Now that your video is ready, let's talk about something most beginners ignore: getting clicks. Because no matter how good your video is, if people don't click, it won't grow. Number 1: titles that attracts. Your title should do 2 things. Number 1: contain the search keyword. Number 2: create curiosity or show benefit. Instead of saying YouTube tips for beginners, try don't start a YouTube channel before watching this, or how I run a full YouTube channel alone step by step. This gives a proper information and curiosity gap whenever any person is reading the text. Second thing is thumbnails that pop. Use high contrast colors, show face plus emotion. Add big text, 3 to 4 words maximum is enough. You can use Canva, Photoshop, or any other softwares. I create 3 versions for each video and test them out on the YouTube itself and go with one that stands out. I use Photoshop most of the time, Canva very rare cases. Next thing, description and tags. Describe the video naturally. Add keywords, tools you use, your other videos, and maybe a lead magnet. Use 10 to 15 tags mostly around your topic. Tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ help here. Remember, title plus thumbnail is equals to 80% of your CTR, meaning click-through rate. So don't rush this. I've seen people usually make titles and thumbnails after recording the video. No guys, first you need to create title and thumbnail, then script your video and record it. That is the proper workflow. I never upload randomly. I always schedule. When your video is ready, upload it with a proper file name. You can use the keywords for the file name. It's not a big deal, but it keeps you like on track without having any confusions on your brain. Then add title, description, and tags. After that, upload the thumbnail and add the video to the relevant playlist. You can add the end screens and cards as well. Schedule for the best time. Experiment with the timings. For me, evening like 7:30 p.m. works most of the time. Pro tip here, use a content tracker. I use Notion and Google Sheets to keep track of status like whether the video is scripted or not, whether it is recorded or not, then it's uploaded or scheduled. So everything I keep tracking the video. This helps you to stay consistent even when you are managing everything alone. You don't need 1 lakh subscribers to start making money. Here is how I started. I have affiliate links to the gear I use. For example, mobile phone, mic, lighting, the laptop, the camera. So these are the products where I can generate affiliate links and start earning money. Next, you can use simple Notion templates as freebies or paid tools. Next, we have brand collaborations. Even with 6K subscribers, I got offers for to review a particular product. I mean, product is free for me. And also collect emails, create a free lead magnet like a checklist or template. Trust me, this is very powerful for future self. If in case you are selling anything in future, or you want to like start a newsletter, this mail list is going to help you a lot, because you have already people who are interested on your content. I mean, they watch your content, they like your content, that's why they are signing up your the things you are publishing on the description box. So if you're someone thinking, how can I grow on YouTube all alone? Now you know it's absolutely possible. Yes, it takes work, but with a repeatable system and smart workflow, it's not just manageable, it's scalable. I'm using this step-by-step blueprint or process, whatever you can say, for a long time, and you can see my significant growth in the channel itself. Even this channel also started growing like crazy fast with all my experiences. If you found this video valuable, drop a like, comment your favorite part, and of course subscribe. If you want to start a YouTube channel from scratch, starting with niche selection, name checking, etc., I uploaded a full A to Z masterclass video on that. You can click here and watch it. Also, all the resources I shared in this video are available in the description box. Definitely check that. That gives more value of what you watched in this video. This is Raj signing off. See you in the next one.